Keminano kyo mweli ogi chigosori chia Kisii County League ni gobono echaro gose echakorekana abuo ichikusichiko korekana abuo ankyo asigeti giskuru ya muraya Kisii School ebuno munyakiro gobu ikiombe egia FKF orosegero Kisii Jazril Mbegera agochia kobaga kwerera
kitimu chiko cha participate ya seminary ya mambigo chiri kitimu 12 chiriwete from all different parts of Kisii County. Kuru zone A kitimu inya, kuru zone B kitimu inya na kuru zone C kitimu inya. We took this position as saying enjoy kwa kitimu liwaga because we believe the first 4 teams njiwate potential yoko progress to the next level. Kitimu to promote mambine kitimu ibere na jicha kuganda regional na kuru waro tunyara kutuwara Kisii County Champions. Yurende kobanga nero the best team in the county. Alafu namba ibere kunyugati na echibere number 1 and 2 na jiko ganda se regional league.